Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Quezon the First. What will I say on this camera video of myself is already October 2018 of what myself is doing. So, I am on a moment, life of working, being uh, there is black magic. The doing of black magic, the person that is being called is witchcraft, a witch. And then witch, letter W, letter I, letter T, letter A, letter C, letter H. I am here at Philippines. During year 2018, I am 23-year old. So, during year 2018, I call Robilin Rumbawa to sleep over on the house at rental house. Then, what me and Rumbawa did is walking. Noon you, there is person that talks while I talk, of such as from rental house phase 2 block 29 onto wait I will just uh, go to toilet. So I go to Signal Village during year 2018 with Robelin Rumbawa, my high school classmate. What me and Rumbawa did is walking. On walking, the right eye of myself talks about rosary that I not talk about it. When I say rosary, it is about rosary. Where's my rosary? Wait, I will just show how my rosary. This rosary. So during year 2018, myself talking in here is impromptu. Year 2018 about rosary. Uh, Myself is being tells of what to do, telling a body movement of such as to pray rosary while walking. And then during that moment, my vibes is uh, such as being explode the head. That is the feeling of myself during year 2018. I not know the reason. It is such as the emoji that there is no forehead and then cloud. That is the self description of what myself is saying. Then there is interfere the word why and I want to talk the moment. On my camera video, I not tends to pause it. It is pause letter P, letter A, letter U, letter S, letter E. I not tends to pause it. I tend to runs the number of it. It is 5 minutes and 22 seconds. I am doing camera video, camera on phone. What else could I say? I need to say so that you know of the flow. What else? October 2018. Rosary it is about the rosary. The person on the right forehead during that moment. Intensity of the person on the right forehead of myself 1 to 10 is 10. The person wants me to pray while walking and then wants myself to be dead. I not know why. Then what is being shown my right eye is Precious Crucendico. I not know why. That person is bad person. The person that talks on my right ear is the mother of Alex Jr. ko, Richel Dementisa Sr. Then it turns onto mother of Precious Crucendico. What else? My year 2018 is myself is being killed, being put on deathness of a bad person. What else it is about Rosary? When Rumbawa is wants to go home already, what I did is I go to the house of Mel Francis Miranda. And then from indoor, I could feel the vibes of Alex Jr. ko on my left side. When I feel it, the vibes of my Alex Jr. ko on my left side, the feeling is will happen yet about visiting the house of Mel Francis Miranda because of occasion. And then there is a baby boy during that moment. So I go to the house of I go to the street road on the house of Mel Francis Miranda, and then that is what happens. On my thinking process, the Alexander Matisa Jr. ko tends to shows the feeling from myself. Then it is about occasion during that moment, and then visiting the house of Mel Francis Miranda with the baby boy. And then while I talk, I could notice that there is a person that talks as well, of which is getting of what is mine. I not know of what the person is getting, but at the moment I could talk. What else? During that moment of myself to Alex Jr. ko is on the left eye. And then I stand indoor. I just stand indoor, and then uh, it flows on my mind in here, on my left forehead, left eye. About the gold digger at the moment, as well as the killer is talking on my right ear. The scenery, The moment is indoor about me and Alex Jr. go with the baby going indoor on a black car. It is a black car. Black car is what Alex Jr. go have during that moment. And then, what else? Honda, it is Honda. GT, that is. There is a sound of broom, such that I could hear it from my left ear. That is the car of Alex Jr. ko. So, on my situation, tala niya relative is killer. Truthfulness, they is killer. They not want me to be happy, which is they is bad person. This is as well in I will include on those person that I not want to socialize onto those talanya relatives. My talking is about year 2018 October of wherein they tends to interfere when it comes onto me and Alex Jr. ko on talking, which is they is bad person. Intensity of killing of Precious Crucendico on myself, intensity 1 to 10 is 10, as well as her mother, and then her sister. She has a sister that wants to kill me as well. Bullying is on the sister of Precious Crucendico during year 2022. They tends to bully me and then they tends to kill me. And then they telling me to a body movement to go to their house, I not want it because of I'm not clingy to them. They is the person that clinging onto myself, which is they is bad person, or which is they is bad criminal. What else could I say? That car of Alex, I will talk later about the car of Alex Jr. ko because that is long. Talking. That is part of my memory, the car of Alex Jr. ko. I am not kabit. I not, there is no thinking process of myself on being kabit. The Bobo camouflage is the person that is kabit in here. I wish that person is truthfulness being slash the head. My situation is truthfulness. So I will say about my moment to Alex Jr. about Black Car that it is being get on my panaginip left forehead life existence so that it could not be happen or be on tenga mode. So what else could I say on that moment, October year 2018? The vibes of surroundings. The vibes of surroundings is behave, then will suddenly noisy. The noisiness is, I not know, wait. When I am standing on front of the street road of Mel Francis Miranda, it is silence, behave. But when I am already walking uh, far from the house of Mel Francis Miranda, I tend to feel the ambience of noisy. The noisiness is about surroundings. The ambience is uh, such as riot. Mm, yet signal village terrace. Riot, it is riot. Description of a riot is group of person and then shouting, noisy, scatter, and then shoutness is loud, such that messy, ganun. And then my thinking process during that moment is calm and then staring. I not know why. Staring it is. I stares of what am I doing on year 2018 October. Staring while walking. I not staring during that moment. Calm is me. Calm. Calm. And then staring. Staring. I am walking during year 2018 October. And then my eye is on front. Forward is my eye. That is definition of staring. And then when I look on side to side, it is already noisy. And then scareness is being put on myself. Scareness. What else? When I already on the signage of 8th Street or 5th Street or 4th Street, myself is no vibes during that moment. No vibes, and then the vibes already is sadness. Weird sadness, and then uh, putting myself on deafness. Ang ganda talking. Ako ko niyan. I will talk. That is year 2018. And then, when I am going on the downhill so that to go home, my vibes already is being exercised the brain. Meaning of it, walking downhill. So parang myself is such this from such that to ganun, such that during on the downhill. And then suddenly when myself is on front of the house of Robelin Rumbawa, I am active. Activeness is about energetic based on walking. Weird. No, I feel weird. I notice it weird. I not know. That is myself during year 2018. And then when I go home inside of the house, it is already such as the word again, again on right forehead, right eye. Such as this one, ganon. The eye, from in here to such this. Not no. What else could I say? And then the right eye thinks of Rumbawa. What about Rumbawa? This right eye is thinking of Rumbawa, is thinking of me, such that. But that is what happens during year 2018 October. And then, wants myself to think Rumbawa, Rubilin Rumbawa. That is my October. You know about the rosary? I cite the signage of rosary on building on Guadalupe, and then until it turns onto something weird. On rosary on Guadalupe, it is year 2019. In 2019, there is COVID-19 during that moment. I am just inside of the house. Year 2021 it is. And then, this is the flow. That is why I say and then. It is such this. Not want you. I not want them. I not want to socialize onto them. Those bad person. High school classmate of myself is not bad person. Those bad person is those person that will be dead, and they know that they will be dead, and then they not want to be dead. Oh, grabe sila. What else? Yeah. Myself, when it comes onto deadness at America, it is 3. Jose Rizal did tells me about it. I'm not crazy. Tahimik ko. But that it is. Even the FBI already knows it during year 2021. I not know. It is 3. 3, puno. Me and Alex go together. Tahimik ko. That is my sadness. Sadness, no chest pain. Sadness of such as not suffocation. I not know. I just observe that there is truthfulness when it comes onto reading fiction such as Twilight, because on Twilight, even on movie, there is as well moment scenery on tree, such that I not want to talk. Sitting position, me and Alex ko. Tahimik ko. I want to behave. Now, I will put this camera video of myself on lock when it comes onto YouTube. What else? Year 2018 October. The noise is in here. Right forehead, right eye. When myself is on the rental house. That is what Rombawa says. Sana makatulong. Ganun. Ah, tahimik ko. I want to behave. In English, I hope it could help, sabi niya. The criminal is on talking on my right ear. The kabit number 2, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri. She knows of what her deadness, and then it is not yet happening because of they tends to do black magic so that to prevent to happen it. And then she is killing me, putting me on deadness. That even her mother is killing me. Lover ko, Alex ko. I am the love life of Alex Jr. ko. He does not like bad doing, bad person. I am goodness person in here talking of what they're doing on myself. So what else could I say? They is the person that looks on my mind when it comes onto their deadness. And then they not want to happen happiness on myself. Happiness it is smiley of such this. No, even when I smile on this camera video, they not want me to smile. What else could I say? 2018 October. Even my baby boy, to Alex Jr. ko, the sun shines him. I not know why. Baby boy of myself, there is a moment at Europa. Panaginip. When me and my baby visits Europa, traveling, the sun shines my baby boy. Color blue during that moment is my baby boy. But I think the color red. Timid ko, it is when it comes onto that baby. No thinking is myself. Myself is on baby girl. What I could just have on that baby boy is panaginip, memory, such as husky voice as well, that baby. Me and Alex Jr. ko here, Philippine residents on apartment, condominium. That is the 20th century already. And then the Bobo camouflage is talking on my ear, right ear. They is forces me on such as manipulation. What they is about, what you call that? Crab mentality. College degrees, me and Alex Jr. ko. And then I not think of them. What they're doing is putting me on such as leveling. I not the word leveling of positivity about happy. The leveling about is crab mentality. Those person that not from their nakakadiri kasi talaga. They is kadiri. It is timing ko. But what is being forced is, what is that word? hierarchy on the I not want to I feel scared. I am on Taguig City, Ciudad. This from I feel scared. Sa province. Andidiri talaga ako. Even the kids that I sit beside on Lawson that is, they is as well, they say, uh, scared. And then, what to do? Me as well scared. And then, I not know what to do. I feel scared. Just, nervous, tense. Even here at New Lower Bikutan, I feel scared. I could feel that they is such as this. Oh my goodness. I could feel it. And they is so, I na want them. Hindi diri talaga ako. But, that is why I not want them. I not want them. I not want them. Cruise, holy water. I now want to talk at the moment. 31 minutes and 55 seconds. What myself is doing, I put cruise on my tummy. And then, in here, married to Alex Jr. ko. Nakakaloka. Scareness it is. I feel scared. Even on Barangay Pinagsama, it is such that there is those person. I feel scared. Camellia Homes, I not side. There is no feeling about in there. I not know why. I need my feeling at Camellia Homes is happy. What else? That is my memory on October year 2018. Sometimes I want that to bought necklace and then rosary. I want it to bought as well. I feel scared. No, I will not socialize unto them. Catholicism. What else? And naon ta bobo ko na. Person piti. What else could I say October? I am inside of bedroom only and then inside of the house. That is what I could say. Oh, during 2016, I wear necklace, Mother Perpetual Health Church. That is Jesus Christ and then Mother Mary. And then now that I say it, the right eye says the reason of why there is scare feeling on myself. So I need to wear it. I bought necklace. Me and Alex Jr. ko. Should I give it? I will tell Alex ko to wear it. But Alex Jr. ko that I said is kaya manggi, not brown color. Necklace. I have necklace. During year 2021, it is being get of the person that tends to do Bible study at home. That person is being dead as well. Casket. And then, suddenly, during year 2021, her talking pertains on to being bullying person. Grabe. Tends to bully me about wedding, me and Alex ko. I not know why they such that. Then the feeling is Bacaro Precious Crucindico. No weird. But Precious Crucindico is civil engineer. And I want to talk to that person and not socialize to that person. What else could they say? I should wear it. Scareness. So during year 2017 or year 2018, there is person talaga. No, during year 2018, there is person that putting me scareness. No weird. Hmm. I should wear that necklace. I want to give to Alex Jr. ko, but myself thinking I want to give it when me and Alex Jr. ko sight each other already. I already bought such that. What's wrong with that if myself is being give money? I will do whatever I want to do. I feel scared. I should give as well. Give kid. Alex Jr. ko brown color, not side. Kayo manggis on the crickland. Kayo manggi to whitish skin. Hmm. If it is being give of a person, should be uh, accept or get of the a specific person that is receiving and then giving. So what I want to say is there is person that does not want me to do such giving to Alex Jr. ko that necklace. Grabe. The color brown being wear on in here necklace. I not know when Alex Jr. ko will show himself. Brown color. Oval is the nose. Such is Juris Alex ko. Nayaskan Lex ko. Oval. What I said is circle. I not know what it means. Di ba? Buti na lang ako ay observant during high school about my love life. I not know what to do. Akin na Lex ko. Tintin. I think there is connection onto that. I wear that necklace and then there is scareness on the right forehead, right eye. So which is, this is my situation. There is right forehead and then right eye looking. What to do? But this one is pretty beautiful. Oh, bangles, color red. I like it. I not know what it means, but it is being get. Grabe, right? Wanderer. It suddenly happens on myself. There is person looking on my life. That is why I am talking because I feel scared. That is not natural. I not know why there is such that. I feel scared. I am healthy person. What to do? When will I give that to Alex ko, the necklace? About Catholic. Catholic Church that is. This is from my mother. I not know when she bought it. This myself does not want to give it to other person. And then I just pray rosary whenever myself is scared. Only when scared. On rosary myself is behave. And then I wear it on my wrist. I wear it. I wear it because I want to hold it. No such and I want to this one and then I not want to wear it at the moment. It is from my mother. Couple thing that is being called during high school. It is LOVE necklace. Me and Alex ko color black is the lace. And then the second is of what I want to give the Jesus Christ and then Mother Mary. Kaya nga, layas. Who is you po layas? Namit ko. Oh, the person from the right eye which is good person. It is such that there is good person and then there is bad person. FBI is good person, but I not know of what is happening. Ayun. What else? My concern about the rosary when I walk on Signal Village. There is something weird when it comes onto world map. I not know what it is. That is what I could just say. What it is about. Myself is just talking and then walking on Signal Village. And then suddenly about Rosary year 2024, there is something about maps. The map. Letter M, letter A, letter P. It is broad. Wait, I will just drink chocolate. Hmm? Bakit? Why you talk on my ear? The voice on my ear is good. Good. She is good person. She talks on my ear. Right ear. When it comes onto childish, only the right eye. And then, what is on myself? Chest pain, heart pain, illness. Because of on the right eye, I feel illness. And then there is vibes that is tends to such as widespread. Nandidiri talaga ako. Please help. Ay, naot dim. Ay, na no. Ay, na is black magic. But that is the truth. And then, that is my talking about walking on in the Signal Village that I am from Barangay Pinagsama. That is, this Signal Village is Barangay Katuparan. Where am I is Barangay New Lower Bikutan. I not want in here, but my parent that I am a child rents in there. Barangay Pinagsama. Not yet in here. I not want in here. What is ice cream? I will end my camera video at the moment 49 minutes and 17 seconds.